Hi, it's me, Lisa Lily, and also known as Hungry Girl. I am here with
Hungry Mom.
This is my mom, and she has agreed generously to be part of my taste test. So I'm visiting you, and now I'm putting you to work. So here goes. What are we trying today?
We are trying
Guess.
cookies.
Yes, we're trying Audrey's CHIA cookies. I don't know who Audrey is, but she makes CHIA cookies. These are crispy brownie flavor. You picked this flavor, right?
I did.
It says treat yourself better, which means that these should be good for you. They have 130 calories a serving, 7 grams of fat. So I guess we should just try these, right?
Yes.
What do you think they're gonna taste like?
I have no idea. I hope it's chocolatey.
Do you know what CHIA is?
Chia, I'm not sure. I'm not into that.
It's a type of seed. It's good for you. This smells great. Smell that.
Oh, it smells like chia.
No, it smells like brownies.
It's good.
Well, then they're a nice size too. All right, want to split this one with me?
Okay.
Okay.
So,
What do you think?
doesn't taste too chocolatey.
I like it. I think it is chocolatey.
It's very crunchy.
Mm-hmm. It's very crispy, very sweet.
Very.
Almost has a tiny little hint of salt at the
I'm
end
going to
too.
finish it.
Well, it does taste like a brownie. Mm-hmm. Would you crush this up and like put it on yogurt or ice cream or something?
Ice cream.
Yeah,
Good.
I think that would be great. I don't know. Audrey did a good job on these, right? Would you eat these? Would you buy these?
I would eat them.
Rate them from 1 to 10,
Anything
Mom.
chocolate. I guess I give it an 8.
Wow, me too. High five.
Good.
All right. Bye.
Bye.